What is 4D? Explaining the fourth dimension. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of 4D and what it means. We'll go over what the fourth dimension is, how it's different from the three dimensions we're used to, and some of the applications of 4D in science and mathematics. First of all, let's talk about what we mean by dimensions. When we talk about the three dimensions, we're usually referring to length, width, and height. These are the dimensions we're most familiar with, and they describe the physical space around us. But what about the fourth dimension? This is where things start to get a bit more abstract. The fourth dimension is often described as time, since time is something that exists in addition to the three spatial dimensions. But that's not the only way to think about it. One way to visualize the fourth dimension is to imagine a three-dimensional object moving through time. For example, if you think about a cube, you can see all 6 faces of the cube at once in 3 dimensions. But in 4D, you would also be able to see how the cube changes over time, as it rotates or moves in space. Another way to think about the fourth dimension is to consider the idea of hyperspace. In the same way that a two-dimensional object, like a piece of paper, can be folded up and turned into a three-dimensional object, like a cube, a three-dimensional object can be folded up and turned into a four-dimensional object. So why is 4D important? Well, it turns out that 4D has some very useful applications in science and mathematics. For example, in physics, the concept of space-time, which combines the three spatial dimensions and time, is crucial for understanding how the universe works. In mathematics, 4D is used in fields like geometry and topology to study shapes and spaces that exist beyond our normal three-dimensional experience. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief introduction to the concept of 4D. While it may seem like a strange and abstract idea, it has some very real applications in science and mathematics. We hope this video has helped you understand the fourth dimension a bit better.